I'm going to be showing you how you can potentially fix it when your Fortnite is not allowing you to join games. Okay, so the first thing that could be happening here is if you just scroll down on the lobby and you can see an option here that says custom key. If you have a custom key in here and it's enabled, then that's going to set you into custom matchmaking and you may not get a party in your game. So what you need to do is just clear this code and then click on accept. Okay, once you've done that, the next thing that you can do is you can go up to the top right hand corner of Fortnite, click on to settings, and then you'll see a settings gear cog right there. Click on the settings gear cog and then click on to this button here that looks like a settings gear cog and a controller. Go to matchmaking region, and instead of setting it to auto, make sure it's set to the one closest to you, like Europe or NA East or something like that, and then click on apply. But I'll just leave mine back on auto, but make sure it's set to the specific region that you're in or closest to you. And then you can go back and then you can try to go to Battle Royale and then play a game and see if that helps. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.